Syncing both smartwatches in Google Fit is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To start with, you need to set up the Google Fit app on your phone as follows. Download and install Google Fit app from Google Play Store. Then, open the app and select your Google account to sign in. Now, enter your basic details like height, weight, date of birth, etc. After that, on the home page, go to the Profile section and click on the Settings icon. Here, select Manage Connected Apps. It will show if any app is connected to Google Fit or not. So go back to the settings, select Manage Fit Data Permissions. Here, enable the toggles for Store Vitals data and Store Cycle tracking data. Next, you need to connect and link your Google Fit account in the BoatQuest app. Now, open the BoatQuest app and go to the More section. Here, select Google Fit. Click on the Connect button. Select the Google account you have used to sign in to Google Fit and allow permission. The Google Fit account has now been linked to the BoatQuest app successfully. And the last step is to check and confirm whether the app is connected to Google Fit successfully and if Google Fit is showing the data from your boat smartwatch. Open Google Fit and go to Settings. Here, click on Manage Connected Apps and verify that the BoatQuest is in the Connected Apps list. Also, you can now open the Google Fit app and check all your health and fitness data synced from the boat smartwatch. This includes data like step count, calories, heart points, and more. You can also set daily goals and weekly targets in the Google Fit app. Overall, Google Fit has a much cleaner interface and integrates well with any other smartwatches in the market.